Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to open the phone dialer application on Windows 11. So this is certainly a relic that has been passed down from many Windows irritations to today and still available on Windows 11 even on the consumer version of Windows, and it still works perfectly fine. I show you guys how to open it. Go to search menu and type dialer. Click on open it. It's look like the older version of Windows, like Windows XP version of image. So if you don't have a telephone or modem connected to your computer, unfortunately it won't allow you to actually dial out, guys. That's a message that we are getting. And number to dial, and we also have speed dial option, name, dial number, save, and you can easily dial anyone. That's how you open the dialer application on Windows 11, guys. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.